at the man, the destitute than us and Kofwa, and then Kumasi Mountain. I think there were about 5 or so. So, man, are we on course?
Yes, let me one and now.
Yes.
First on sanitation. Kofi, you any sanitation across the greater Kumasi district, no, any issue. The issue because never be a nipa a be here. If I work a home, we need where a junior will hold major the salt in crown. My year on about 5 occasions since the year. Some 2 months or so ago, you could clear her. This weekend, Christmas break, me far home. Nipa da sanitary is a free that say, any member, we are got to a good training and I do behind our back. But Rebecca Nukura, since the past several months, we've been making sure say the city is cleaned almost every time. We use a zoom line of tracks be a mana area. There's no system say if you talk for mana no affect you. And because of the situation within the city, you get people working in Christmas period, for instance. We put time from morning to the next morning. If you tell the book they have difficulties. Trucks, no a packet, or move and some crown matching you too. If you are much maybe not the job, no packet, so they feel a truck and I say, they feel a female nipa, and I'm saying to know, but can I say, you know, European Union, and Spain, and Quebec, Mabu Baby, I started project via your pilot by first week of February. Containers are the big wet and dry waste separation. The basis baby, no, none I install it because all my ship are a number so ever. A wood training school, a demand entity, and then you better empower them with startup money to get into sanitation. This I also know. We are very much on course. So back here, my global green information center, we are importing about 7 trucks to augment the project. When COVID-19 from procurement of those trucks became a bit difficult for us. The European Union from Ukraine had difficulty getting manufacturers to get us the products. Afrina, we are looking at the room by early April. Trucks, but so far, we are dealing with the trucks that we have, the one that came over, and the Zuma and other companies and we are able to do that. As part of the project, we're going to do 4 mini compost sites and 2 mini recycling sites, as part of move to just make sure the sanitation situation is improved within the city.
What it is over the period, it has not been the best in terms of sanitation. Over here, probably about 3 days, 1 week. It's
never true. The things that came in is never true. Say 2 days, 3 days, not baller. A good one thing.
Oh, really?
Yes, because even last week, $2 not the best 3 days. Actually, no one is crazy. When you compare everywhere, one more sati, it's no akumachi. One more tracks, now you will be in sa. You know, I so forth to say, or call 1 trip in Bimpa. We don't say, I call service equipment. Into Amuko fine and come. Then they went to the site. By the time we back, maybe a child, no, the other come out of.